Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
The AI Revolution PLR review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this PLR offer called the AI Revolution PLR. So this is the AI Revolution PLR review. Right now we are on the sales page where it says, attention coaches, leaders and online marketeers seeking the ultimate solution to skyrocket their profits. Discover the secret weapon to end your online earning struggles today. Introducing a revolutionary high quality PLR product that you can brand or rebrand as your own and reap the rewards like never before. Gain full access to a fresh cutting edge topic complete with editable rights. Tap into a massive global audience. Dive into an evergreen niche bursting with demand. Rebrand, revamp and reign as the author. The choice is yours. The canvas is yours to paint. Create e-courses, high ticket programs, training sessions or webinars with ease and expertise. Okay. So this is an offer. You will be getting the content, the theoretical content as well as the video tutorials. For video tutorials, you'll have to buy the upsell. Okay. Now, how will you make money with this? Theoretically, the only way you will make money with this is if you have people who will buy these things from you. Okay. So for example, I am recording this YouTube video and you will find the link below my YouTube video. It will be saying grab the AI Revolution PLR copy here. Once you click on that link will take you to the sales page. And once you go and buy it, then I will make some money. Okay. So for you to make money with this, you have to sell. For example, again here, these people, product owners, for example, these people, they're launching this PLR on this Warrior Plus. The only way they will make money with this PLR is if you people buy. Okay, so PLR itself does nothing, or no product, no software, no PLR, no training makes no money for anybody. What makes money is between two people, the buyer and the seller. Okay, you have to sell, somebody else has to buy, and the process in between is very, very tricky. Because if I am selling here something and you are here to buy something, the process which is very, very tricky is that I am making this YouTube video. This is the only bridge we have. So you have to develop that bridge so that the buyer can find the seller or the seller can find the buyer. Okay. So if I don't come and make a YouTube video, or if I don't send you some emails, and for that you have to be in my email list as well. So this is a very tricky part in online marketing. No matter what gurus tell you or what everybody tells you, IDC, I don't care. What matters is, do you have traffic, or do you know how to get traffic to your offers? For example, here, if I know how to make my YouTube videos, right? I can make YouTube videos all day long because that's my expertise. So when I make my YouTube video, then I am not obliged to sell only AI Revolution. I can sell anything of my choice in my YouTube videos because I have taken care of the traffic part. You understand or not? So if you buy this AI Revolution, who should buy this first of all? If you already have an email list, okay, let's say you have a group of audience who buys these kind of content related products from you. They buy PLRs from you. So you have such audience who can buy this from you. Then go and grab this, rebrand this and sell it to your audience. Okay, did you miss the point? You already need to have the audience. If you have the audience, if you had been making money, if you have an email list and you want to look for a new PLR offer which you can promote or sell to your audience, go and get this, rebrand it and make your money. Okay, but if you're clean slate and if you think that you will buy something online and you will sell and you will make money, the process is exactly the same. You go and sell something, but to whom and how? Because this how is gonna be a big pain in your ass. Okay, how means here I have to make a YouTube video. Do you have the same expertise? As in, you might speak the same language, I'm not talking about that, but do you have the time? Do you have the content in your head? Do you know what to do, how to do, when to do, and keep doing it then? Okay, so let's talk about this bridge between the seller and between the buyer. That's called traffic bridge. Now, the only way we can build that bridge is if you come and find your audience. Okay, for example, I have made this video, and this video is going to be uploaded on YouTube, and then it's up to you, or it's on those people who will come and watch this review and they will find me. Okay, do you have this much time to go and do this on YouTube? If you, then you should start as soon as possible. And second way is that you go and start doing email marketing. If you are a back-end person, you don't want to work on, you don't want to come on YouTube, then you better have some money, okay? Because in the back end, you can go and grow your email list by buying solo ads from udimi.com, udimi.com, and then keep growing your email list, which will cost you a fortune, but you will eventually get there if you have money to start with, okay? So if you have $10,000 to buy solo ads, yes, you can start a career online with email marketing. But if you don't have $10,000, then shut up and watch the video till the end, okay? So you are going to get this PLR offer, and as I said, you will be able to find the link below my YouTube video, and you can come to the sales page by clicking on the link. And then let's see what are you going to get, what can you do, what you can't do. It's simple, quite simple actually. Just get the offer. It's all about AI, you know, how to use AI to make money. And actually you don't have to use it yourself. All you have to find is that who will buy this, you know, from you, this information from you, okay? So what are PLR rights? PLR rights mean that you can rebrand and sell it to your audience, but you cannot give these rights to your audience. So for example, you can sell this to me, but I can't sell this to another person, okay? So the rights ends with the buyer. So how much for all of this? It starts with $15, and after 4 days, they say they will be increasing the price to $37. What does this focus on? The course teaches marketeers how to profit from AI, la 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 la. Why should I get this today? Just because they're here to sell. They are here to sell, so just go and buy it. I have bought low quality, okay? I need PLR. You can go and buy the upsell if you want the, you know, the video PLR, okay? Are there any ongoing fees? Absolutely not. What if I'm technically not savvy? Nothing. Guarantee 30 days. How do I get started? Click the button below. So this is what you can do on the left side, and this is what you can't do on the right side. You got it? Of course you got it. All right. So do we have some upsells? Let's see. We surely have some upsells. So 14.95, and then these are the upsells, and I'm feeling sleepy. So here is the upsell, which you have to figure out if you want to buy them or not. And in 15, you will get the, I guess, theoretical knowledge, the text PLR, okay? And if you want the video PLR, I guess for that you have to upgrade, okay? Now let's talk about, again, let's do a recap. This is for people who are already into PLR business, selling PLRs to their audience, okay? But if you're just clean slate and as a newbie, this will help you with nothing, because making money with affiliate marketing online is all about, you know, how many people are watching your video or how many people are reading your emails, okay? If I don't make the video, I don't have a chance to, you know, get any eyeballs, okay? The only reason you're watching this review because I have made the video. Otherwise, I will not be able to find you, or you will not be able to find this video, understand? So I have, you know, built that bridge by making this YouTube video. So you are on the other side, I am on this side. The only thing which is connecting you and me right now is this YouTube video, okay? Are you willing to build these bridges every single fucking day? Because you have to connect yourself to the potential buyers, and you know, you have to figure out how will you reach them, or how will they reach to you, okay? If you can't do this work, it's not for you. Don't dream if you can't sleep, okay? But here you have this thingy called email marketing, okay? In that case, I told you already that it's going to cost you a fortune. So I will not teach you everything in this video, but yes, if you want to make money online only, I will give you some tips and some trails. If you want to follow my trail, you will make some money. Otherwise, tada, bye-bye. For now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and subscribe is free, like is free. Click on these two buttons, okay? And then we have these two links below my video. It says make money on autopilot with forex trading. Well, forex trading is like this thing here. You see the graph, you know, currency pair, buy low, sell high, or buy high and sell low. It works both ways, okay? Now this will be something new to you, but we will do this by using a software on automation. So go and check out the more details if you're interested in making money on autopilot without working. So this is the first link. Second link is making money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis is all about YouTube training. So in case you want to do exactly what I am doing right now on YouTube, make money on YouTube for long term, then go and try Traffic Jarvis, okay? So subscribe, like, watch the video till the end if you really want to make money for entire generations to come. Now, if your end goal is only to make money online, then come below my video right now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, you may click on super thanks. Now, click on the first link here. It says make money on autopilot with forex trading. Now, forex trading is quite simple and complicated at the same time because it's about the knowledge. So you do not need to know exactly what's happening here, but if you take a look at this machine or the graph right now, this is a currency graph. So the concept is that you buy currency at low price and you sell when the price goes up. So buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. Okay. Now we will not be doing any of this manually because we will be using a software, and then that software will be doing all this buying and selling automatically on our behalf, and we will be just making profits. Okay, so again, come below and click on the first link here, then come on this page, enter your name, enter your email address, then click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. There are two videos on the main sales page of the syndicate, option 1 and option 2. Watch those two videos till the end to understand what this method is all about. Okay, I cannot explain everything right now in this video, so you have to go and fill up the form, then watch those two videos till the end, and after that, if you want to get started, then you can contact me or message me on Skype, or if you have any questions, you can again message me on Skype. Okay, do not contact me before watching those two videos till the end, otherwise I will block you. Don't contact me without without doing your homework. Okay, if you're not serious, get out. So contact me only if you're serious, interested, and you have done your homework, right? So fill up the form and go on the sales page, watch those two videos, and then you can get back to me, because the syndicate will make you 60% profits weekly for doing nothing, because you do not have to go through any training, any modules or anything. I will be managing everything on your behalf. So I will be setting up the virtual machine, I will be setting up the graph, I will be installing the software, I will be giving the settings to the software, everything I will manage on your behalf. And once we start making profits with the system, then you get to keep 60% profits weekly, and I get to keep 40% profits weekly. I'm talking about profits, okay? When the system makes money, then only you get paid, and then only I get paid, right? If you want to know how to get started, fill up the form and watch those videos and then get back to me. Now, second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now on YouTube. So in case you want to make money on YouTube by doing these reviews, or you want to make money without selling anything, then go and get Traffic Jarvis, because Traffic Jarvis will help you to make money on YouTube without even selling anything. For example, in this YouTube video, when you are watching my video, you have seen some ads as well. These ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not, okay? Because my YouTube channel is monetized, and in order for this to work for you, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel. And with the help of Traffic Jarvis, you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, right? So with Traffic Jarvis, you will be able to do exactly what I'm doing right now, make these reviews, affiliate marketing, email marketing, YouTube monetization, everything. But the difference between the first option here and the second option is that in first option, make money on autopilot with Forex thingy, you have to do nothing and you still make 60% profits. If you want to go and get Traffic Jarvis and work on YouTube, then you have to work manually, okay? Both methods work. I am doing them both personally, and I'm making money using both the methods, because the first system is completely on autopilot. So I have time, and if I have time, I come on YouTube and I make my video. So I can do both. Now, I don't know your situation. You might want to go with the first option, or you might want to go with the second, or you might want to go with the both, just like me, okay? So choose whatever suits your situation, okay? In the end, again, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. As a YouTuber, I can't subscribe to my own channel, right? So check out these links, and in the end, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website where it says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list. and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic service, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic service video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is going to make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of traffic service within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too, but it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for the rest of your life, then you can go for traffic service YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.